Hello everyone and welcome to Cabbage Patch Soap. My name is Laura and today I will be making Forest Blossom Soap. Those are the colors we'll be using, and here I am adding the lye water to the oils. I'm just going to blend this together. I'm going to add the fragrances in. And now I'm going to divide this up into 3 different colors. So first I'm going to put in this yellow color. Then this purple. And of course those cups that I use, those small ones, they're biodegradable. And here's the white going in. And now I'm just going to blend this up. It's going to help disperse the white a little bit better and also help thicken it up. Whenever we blend the soap batter, it will accelerate a little bit and blend and set up faster. So I'm going to pour this into the mold. And I'm going to blend up this purple. And I'm going to blend up the yellow. I'm going to mix these two together. I want to do a drop swirl with these colors, but I want them to be mixed together first. That will help keep them together and separate from the white. Now here I'm going to pour this in. I'm just going to fill the mold. And then I will tap out any air bubbles. I'm going to give it one more swirl. And I'm going to take the purple mixed in the oil and drizzle it on top. I'm going to swirl this to give it a nice pattern before I add the flower petals. This is calendula. It will actually stay yellow on the soap. Most botanicals will turn brown, but this one retains its color. I'm putting these down in rows because I want to minimize the drag marks I'll get when I slice this. And here's a close-up look of the soap. Here we are about a day later to slice it. Now I could turn this up on its side to reduce this drag marks, but because of the shape of the brick, I wasn't sure if it would be able to hold up to that. So I went ahead and just sliced down from the top. And this did make some drag marks, but the swirls are very pretty, and I'll be able to clean up those drag marks later. Here's the next bar. I think these turned out really nice. And that's the last bar, and these are the end pieces that I'll cut up for samples later. If you like this soap, it will be available February 1st in my Etsy shop. I upload videos every Monday and Thursday. And thank you for watching. You have a great day.